inspirers, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about the different career options in medicine and research. So let's begin with our video, but before that please click on that subscribe button so that you can view more such videos, and while doing so also click on the bell button so that you can always get a notification when I post a new video. And let's begin. So talking about the medical degrees, the first thing that comes to our mind is becoming a doctor. So how can you become a doctor is by MBBS, BAMS and BHMS. So these are all the undergraduation degrees. But what if you want to learn about a special aspect of a person's body? Then you can do is PG, which is post graduation. And what are these courses are MD and MS. So these are 2 to 3 year courses depending on what course you are choosing. And later if you decide like you want to get into research, how can you do that is doing a PhD in that specific topic. So that is about becoming a doctor. So doctor and researcher. Then let's come to dentists. So what the first thing that comes to our mind about dentists is filling of cavities, root canals. Then we can talk about braces. But do we know anything else about it? We have dental hygienists, we have orthodontists, we have periodontists, we have oral maxillofacial surgeons, etc. So these are the ones that can also help in dentistry. And there are also dental lab technicians, like you can need x-rays or something like for your root canals or any tooth surgery that is needed to be done. But what if you don't want to do any of these? You want to become a nurse. So there is not only a specific type of nurse, we have many. Like you have the nurses that work full time in a hospital. Then there are nurses that who help a family, like she can help a old person in the family, or a premature baby, a baby with some disabilities, or a person who has just had like a person who has just had a major accident and now needs a 24/7 care. There can be nurses like that. And there are also nurses who help the pregnant woman. They work in the OBGYN department. So that is about the nurses. What else can you do is you can become an ophthalmologist, who is an eye surgeon. You can do optometry, which is making of the specs, sunglasses and lenses. Then you have naturopathy. What is that? Is treating a patient with the natural elements like water, air, everything. Then we have audiology. What is audiology? Is you're helping the patient with hearing disorders. You have also research in that department, like you can develop new hearing aids, you can develop technologies like helping people with acquired hearing defects to hear. Then what more we have is electropathy, which is treating patients with electrical waves or electrical signals. Then we have microbiology. It helps in the pathological departments and the pharmacological departments in making the medicines and diagnosing the disease, like blood tests, biopsies, etc. Then you can take antibiotic tests. You can do genetical engineering. You can do more research, and you can also make vaccines. Then we have nutritionists, dietitians, who help a person to choose their diet. Like every person has a different type of diet. Like a corporate person will have a different diet than a child or athlete or anything. Then you have orthopedics, who studies the bones and etc. of your body. Then you have occupational therapists. They are the ones who help in the mobility of your body, in the rehab departments of trauma. Then we have pathology, who help in the diagnosis. Then we have speech therapy, which is uh, helping a patient with speech disorders like stammers. The person may speak fast, slow, stutters, etc. Then we have sports medicine, like it is a special department for helping the athletes and the sports people. Then we have veterinary sciences, which is helping the animals, because we all know that animals are as important as humans. Then you can also become a yoga teacher, because we all know that a healthy mind leads to a healthy body. Then you can get into pharmacology, and then pharmacology yet again has their own departments like pharmacists. We have pharmacovigilance, which in layman's term can uh, be said as a drug safety inspector. Then we have pharmacognosy, which is the development of medicines and checking their characteristics about physical characteristics, chemical characteristics, their making, their storage, etc. So that is all about pharmacology. And what more can you do is you have anesthesia technology, you have operation theater technology, you have radiation technology, you have uh, cardiac lab technology, you have dialysis technology, which is new now. Then you have neurotechnology, you have nuclear medical technology. The list is never ending, and they are bringing new technologies nowadays. So the ones that I mentioned in the last, the dialysis technology, neurotechnology, these are the new medical fields that came in just this year in 2022. So that is about today's video, you guys. Let's meet you. So that is about today's video. Let like, share and subscribe to my channel, because Medspiration, we inspire to inspire. So let's meet you in the next video.